Okay guys, I promised you a video tonight for the One Company phaser, how to break it apart. And I don't know if you guys have ever seen the inside of one, but this is basically it. That's your bottom trigger. And there's your contacts. If you ever have them off, try to clean your contacts off. But okay, here's something that really helped me out. You sent me some pictures. You guys sent me some pictures of your attempts to do it. Some of them broke here. But these are the key points that you want to go in between. Let me show you real quick. Two razor blades, right? Pry the razor blades underneath past this into this part right here. Okay? The first one I did, this one here went within minutes. Okay, this one's giving me a little bit. All right, now take your screwdriver and pop. There you go. Repeat down here. I'm gonna take my time on this. I just want you guys to see it's simple, but you gotta get the razor blades in. And then pop. Razor blade broke. Okay. Let's try over here. I'm not editing any of this stuff, but I will pause it for a minute so I can get these in here and get a new razor blade. Thanks for that. Got a broken razor blade. Glad it wasn't a phaser. Okay. Got this razor blade in here. I'm pushing the other one in as well. Taking my screwdriver between the razor blades and twisting. Hang on. I gotta push it down. See, it's not coming. Okay. Now, pause that. I'm gonna go get two new razor blades. Be right. Okay, we're back. I had to get two new razor blades, but okay. Take this, tap it down, get the other one, tap it as close as you can right next to it. Hang on. No one said this was going to be easy. Let me try this way. Okay, let's see if this is enough leverage to get in here and pop it. Alright, let me off on camera. Alright, let's see. Come on, the first one was so easy. Ah! And turned it off. Hang on. Alright, you hear that pop? Okay. Get it in there. Get this one in here again. Coming loose. Now I'm gonna move down to here. Tap it down a little bit. Get behind the feet. This one came out. Okay. That one's in. This one is in. Let me see if I'll crack over down here. Okay, cracked it. You see it? Okay, but you're using these two as a wedge. So I gotta come up here, put this back in here, put this one right onto it, and then come back in here and see if I can get it further up. Okay. Just go back over here. Okay. You gotta get down in here. Okay. And get them both in there. The other one just came right off, but this one's gonna be a bitch. Okay, there you go. Let's move over here, see if we can get the razor. Come over, maneuver. Got a little area right here. And there's your phaser. So, so try doing that. I mean, this one was really easy, but there's no damage to it except for that little post right there came off. But when I'm putting this back together, I am not going to glue it. I'm just going to put it together, leave it together, put it back on the phaser. All right, what do you think, guys? Give me a heads up.